Hello guys and welcome to a new video. It's cold as frick outside. It is my birthday and today we are not going to spend the whole day in the shed. We are just taking something out that I'm gonna get installed today. Something that not many people got installed. That's dirty as crap. Okay, so you probably saw it already in the title because I'm probably gonna put it in the title. I am getting some 5-inch tips installed on my car. Now many people are gonna be thinking those are big as crap, like they are, I think they came off a truck, or was it Silverado or some shit. But I wanted something different because the 4-inch that I have on there now seem kind of small to me. Also I want to have them stick out a little bit further, so let me switch the camera around and I show you. So, and of course as you can see it's already losing paint. It got powder coated. I bought these on Amazon. Those are the 4-inch tips. I kind of feel like they are too far in and a little bit too small. So I have these. They're gonna be right there. Is it able to see a little bit? Okay, so these gonna be installed today. Let me get the second one. Of course my shed is dirty again because I have another project running in the background. I can put a picture in here. I built my own sub boxes which gonna go into the trunk, and it's gonna pretty much fill up the whole trunk, but it's gonna look extremely nice. And I'm gonna get rid of this stupid Mach 1000 stereo system that comes stock on these cars because it's not, it doesn't sound up to date anymore. It's kinda, God, it's cold, kinda outdated. Also, as you can see, I got new tail lights, and this is not on the inside, it's on the outside. They don't, if you were asking, they don't. So let me put these two. Oh yeah, my trunk is dirty as f too, but this is all gonna change as soon as I got these subwoofers in there. So we're gonna get some new tailpipes, and we're gonna do some shady shit because I've got the dude that sold the tailpipes sold some high flow cats for extremely cheap. So here are the high flow cats, but I emptied them out, like I gutted them out. I'm not gonna install them like this because I don't want this. This is gonna be like a, not raspy, how do you say it? It's gonna be this tone that's gonna be around 3000 RPM. That's, and this is the, yeah, I don't want this. So I'm going to buy something like this, a 2 1/4 to 2.5 pipe that is a little bit longer because it's gonna have to go from here all the way through, and then I'm gonna get it welded on. So it's pretty much like a straight pipe through the cat. I'm still gonna have my muffler on, but this is gonna be a straight pipe through the catalytic converter, and this is just, make it look like I still have cats on. But yeah, that's gonna be another time because I have to figure out where I get the piping from, what size, because I want to have it so I can switch between my cats I have on now and catless. So I just, switch back and forth because I just used some clamps which are used right now. So yeah, now I gotta go to USPS and some boxes which I sold on freaking eBay. I'm gonna mail those away, and then I'm going to the muffler shop and get my tailpipes installed. Then I'm going to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever and see who sells. Actually, I don't need I need a 2 1/4 to 2 3/4. I'm gonna figure that out. And then I gotta buy a new blade for a grinder that I borrowed from my friend because I totally used the rest of his. Oh, it's gonna be a cold start. Let me open the door. I'm too lazy to walk all the way out there now and put this freaking phone behind my car. Yep, I know it squeaks. That's one of the pulleys, I believe. I didn't figure that out yet. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Let's get her heated up a little bit. So, but yeah, I'm probably gonna have it sticking out to about here, maybe, because this is really far in, and I want to have it a little bit further out, not too much like all these other crazy people do. Also, as you can see, I put some reflecting tape on my, what is that shit called? Diffuser, to make it shine when somebody is putting light on it. Okay, it is later in the day. I got my tips installed. I kinda forgot to record, but and I didn't want to record in the shop because I feel like they do their job. So I don't. There doesn't have to be like a little homo standing around and recording them do it. So I got them installed now, and they look pretty big. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw them. Well, the back view. I got them stick out a little bit more. And my hair's messed up because it's windy as crap, but I'm gonna show you how they look like. Okay, here we are. In the video it looks so small, but I realized that in the picture too it looks really small. But I can promise you they are not small. Like, they are not small. It just seems that small, I feel like, because of the diffuser, but they are big as hell. Also, I have them stick out a little bit, not too bad, just a little bit. I hope the wind doesn't destroy everything now. But sound-wise, it didn't really change anything. Sound clip, I'm gonna put your sound clip in. Let me get my freaking tripod. Now, I hope this works out because it's kind of windy outside, so you might not even hear everything. Where's my tripod? I got it somewhere. There it is. Ah, yeah, come over here. Also, it's dark in here, but my cats are ready to be welded. I cut them down as much as possible, so this is how they're gonna look like, pretty much like, you know, cats. But they are not, they have nothing in them. They are empty, like my soul. Let's see. Now this is definitely not a cold start because this car was running all day. I had to go to so many different places, Lowe's and the muffler shop and UPS, and so I'm gonna do it from Panda over here. I think that's good. Yep. But yeah, as you can hear, they don't really change in sound at all. I mean, they are pretty loud. I have to talk pretty loud to, you know, have you be able to hear me. But overall, it didn't change the sound a lot. And yes, I know that this is not straight, but you know what? I'm gonna fix it at some point. So, before anybody else cries, as I just said, not a cold start. It has been running all day. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Why am I going in the shed? I don't know. I like to end my video in here. So that's why I'm ending my video in here. I hope you like this short. That's just what was that? A small update video, I guess. Just on how things are going. I also bought some carpet for my nice... man, I got a horn today. Holy shit. Anyway, I bought a carpet for my subwoofer boxes. I'm probably gonna continue working on those the next few days. It's gonna take me a little bit longer because I have to wait for the subwoofers themselves. And then I can install all that crap and get rid of the crap that I have in there now. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. We will see us next time. Probably, I don't know if I'm gonna make a video about the sound system install because that's gonna take at least a whole day. And I don't have all the parts here yet. I'm still missing 1 amp and 4 speakers and 2 subs. I do have the subwoofer amp, the tweeters, the wiring kit, and that stupid, I don't know, I forgot. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you liked this video. That's pretty much it for today. And we will see us next time.